Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring Git and Git LFS are installed because Unity assets need LFS for large files. Once done, create a GitHub repo so you have a remote endpoint to push to. Open your Unity project, add a recommended. Git ignore and commit the assets and project settings folders. This prevents editor temp files from cluttering the repo. Make sure to set core autoclf appropriately for your platform. Doing so avoids line-ending conflicts later. You now link the project to Git by initializing a local repository or cloning the remote directly into the Unity project directory. Cloning keeps history intact. Next, run Git LFS track for large binary types such as textures, models, and video so those files store efficiently. Stage and commit changes with clear messages to document intent. Then push to origin main or master so the remote mirrors your work. Make sure to pull before heavy merges to reduce conflicts. You finish by establishing a team workflow. Create feature branches, merge through pull requests, and communicate when editing scenes to avoid concurrent conflicts. When merge conflicts occur on scenes or prefabs, use Git merge tools and Unity YAML merge to reconcile serialized changes so assets remain intact. If a push fails, stop and verify the remote URL and your GitHub permissions. Ensure Git LFS is installed and tracked for big files, and confirm repository storage limits. Fixing these usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.